Many customers ask me sound systems. Just like I connected Android Auto now. So I play music here. Sound from a smartphone, not car speakers. So that is not the issue. So go to simple setting. Go to Lexus. Just press menu and just switch like that. Just like this, right? This is media. So Bluetooth audio connections paired. Okay, I need to pair my Lexus. So now I connect Lexus GS audio connected. So now all audio output from the car speaker, right? Okay. There is a totally same as iPhone 2. So I will show you how to iPhone also.